Hello, welcome. This is our Shumatt live channel. This is Caitlin, and today the product we're going to share with you is our hot sealing valve assembly. And now let's see it together. Firstly, I will show you the outside packages, the blue VCI interval specs, right? And here this is the label. On the label, the information includes our Shumatt's brand. The second line is our product code F00VC01023. Actually, for the logo label packages, all we can support customized service. So any of our customers have such demand, please feel free to contact us. This is the inside transparent bottles can be better protected inside valve assembly during the transportation. Let's see it. 1 layers oil paper to wrap it up. Each product 6 months warranty time. You got the quality guaranteed. This one applicable inject number is 0445110081. Etc. More information, please check the details below the video. Applicable vehicle car is MWM, BR, and VW. Look at the valve cap with the coating figures on the groove and the valve rod. The first step is make sure the valve cap in the right position. The second step is make sure the valve rod can be moved smoothly up the injected body. That's the 2 steps if you want to install it. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching. Let's see you next time. Wish you have a good day. See you.